Hey, it's Nijat from Artboard Studio, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create product mockup designs by using Artboard Studio. Let's get started. So first things first, this is your dashboard. This is where you manage your projects. You can start with a template, and as you can see, we have a huge collection of high quality mockup templates, or you could start your very own project, and that is what I'm going to be doing today. So as you can see, if you take a look at the left sidebar, this is for adding items to your scene. And since we are going to be working with products today, I'm going to check out packaging, and I would like to work with a dropper today. I'm going to see what's available. Yeah, this should work fine. As you can see, I just dragged and dropped it into my scene. I can also double click on it to add it to my scene. And let's remove this. So the next step is adding my own design to this bottle, right? What I can do is I can double click on it to see a list of available places, or I could click on it and check my right sidebar and you're going to see this place your design menu. I'm going to pick the front face of the bottle. And what you need to do right now is to add your own designs, and how you can do that is check your left sidebar again, take a look at the very bottom, your private assets menu, and you can upload your own assets by using this big blue button. I already uploaded mine, so I'm just going to drop it in, maybe scale it down slightly. So this is where magic happens. If I go back to the main canvas, you're going to see all of the changes are reflected in real time without any saving. What I can also do is I can grab my design tab, bring it right next to my bottle, and I can, boom, I can basically design in a split view. As you can see, if I move it around, all of the changes are still reflected in real time. I think I need to scale it down slightly and maybe center it. Yeah. I think I'm happy with the design. This is pretty much how I envisioned the actual bottle. But the thing is, now we need to create a unique and compelling scene by using some of the available tools. So what we can do is, maybe add a background item first, such as maybe a plate. I don't know. I'm just gonna go crazy here. So I'm gonna drop a plate, and place it in a weird way. I'm gonna take it to behind. So I can also add maybe a couple flowers here. Let's see if we have tulips. Yeah, we do, of course. And boom. Make it slightly smaller, maybe turn it around and copy and paste it by using the same shortcut you use in every other tool, Command C or Control C and Command V or Control V. And what you can also do is maybe a leaf behind the plate. You can move layers around, and you would see them in the same order. So it means that it would be the tulip is now behind the plate. So if I turn it around, yeah, I think it looks nice for now. This is not like, okay, this is not finished, but I think this is going good in a good direction. So what I also can do is I can change the background color to something more fun, if that makes more sense. Let's pick a color by using the eyedropper tool, and something slightly red-ish but also pink. Yeah, that looks nice, doesn't that? So it doesn't end there though. What I can also do is, if you check the top bar, there's this animation button, and it pops up a timeline for us. And let's say I would like to move the actual tulip leaf. I can add a start point in the beginning. I can move the needle in the timeline to the second maybe. Then, I don't know, make it turn and move slightly. Sorry, not this one. And if I play it, it would just, turn around. So if you're happy with your designs, what you can do is you can export your project either as a PNG file or a JPEG file. If you've worked on an animation like me, you can export your animation as a video file as well. So that is the end for me today. If you're happy with your designs, please feel free to share them with us on the social media. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'm going to be working on this design and I'm gonna refine this, and let's make a template out of this. So if you would like to check the final version and use it as a template in your own designs, please feel free to check the link below. And if you're interested in the broader catalog of all of the available templates, we're going to have another link for that in the description below. That's all from me. Have fun and peace. Bye.